As you can tell by the title, a fried avocado. Adding a little boom, boom, boom twist to adding flaming hot Cheetos. Now let's get to this video so it won't be so long. So we got a full, nice kind of ripe avocado. You know what, with avocados, you really don't know how it look until you open it. So I'm just gonna cut it down the middle as usual. Ooh, beautiful. A beautiful baby, yeah! Around town, downtown. It's a song go like that. Okay. We're gonna slice it because we want wedges. We're gonna cut it in half. This is how I'm gonna slice. We're gonna cut it in half. Then cut that half in threes. Let me see if I get, yeah, threes. Flour, the seasoned flour here with lemon pepper. These are your Cheetos, and this is just an egg and a little milk beaten. We're gonna take an avocado, we're gonna put it in flour. That flour and lemon pepper. We're gonna shake that out, and we're gonna put that in the egg wash, then in the Cheetos, and there you go. Clean up right quick and set up my deep fry, and we're gonna get these fried up, and you all could taste one. Let's see. Yeah, this shouldn't take long at all. I'll say fry like about 2 to 3 minutes. Flaming hot fried avocados. Y'all ready to try it? Avocado fried, flaming hot fried avocado. Oh yeah, and I love avocados. Whoop! There you go for all my avocado lovers. For all my flaming hot Cheeto lovers. Let's try it. That's good. Oh wow. And it's still green in the inside.